A photograph is 3 centimeters longer than it is wide. Its area is 40 centimeters squared. Find its length and its width. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show a picture of a rectangular photograph. And now we know that the photograph is 3 centimeters longer than it is wide. So if I let the width be W, and this is 3 centimeters longer, then it must be W plus 3. And then we know that the area is 40 centimeters squared. So to get the area, I need to take the length times the width. So I know the area then is the length times the width. I'll go ahead and put my W first. Since both of these are the area, then I can create an equation saying that W times W plus 3 then, which is my area, must equal 40, which they told me is the area. So to solve this, I'll go ahead and simplify the left side first, giving me W squared plus 3W equals 40. And you see we have a polynomial. So to solve polynomials, I need 0 on one side. So I need to subtract 40 from both sides, giving me W squared plus 3W, and then I'll put the negative 40 last. We have a trinomial that needs to be factored. So factoring this will give me W times W to get W squared, and now I need factors of 40 that will get me to 3. Well, that would be 5 times 8 will give me 40, and to get a positive 3, then I need a positive 8 and a negative 5, which will give me a negative 40. Now I have a product which equals 0. So either the first factor must be 0, or, and I'll go ahead and do these vertically, the second factor must be 0, or both. So solving the first one, you'll see that W is 5. And solving the second one, we see that W is negative 8. However, looking back, W is the width of our photograph, so it can't be a negative, so it must be a positive. W then is 5, which means W plus 3 is 8. So then we know that the width is 5 centimeters, which was found here, and the length is 8 centimeters.